Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed into the right Google account and connected. Now begin. Open Google Contacts on desktop for the most complete options, or the Contacts app on mobile if you must. Once there, make sure the account listed at the top is the one with your backed up contacts. If sync is off, enable it. This ensures you'll see current backups. Start with the Contacts main view so you can access the Restore and Manage tools immediately. Now you'll execute the restore. In Contacts on desktop, open Settings and pick Restore Contacts. Choose the time window that predates the deletion. This reverts the list to that snapshot. On mobile, go to Menu, Settings, Restore, then select the account and time frame. Keep in mind restores affect only contacts saved to that Google account, and they can't be combined automatically. Duplicates may appear. Once you confirm, finally review your contacts list to confirm restoration. Look for key entries and any duplicate records, and merge or remove extras. Make sure devices are updated by forcing a sync in account settings. This pushes the restored set to phones and tablets. For extra safety, export the restored contacts to a VCF file or create a new backup. If things went wrong, check that you used the correct Google account. Verify trash items aren't older than 30 days. Clear app cache, then retry the restore on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.